United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 258. Deployment and use. The deployment and use of any type of scientific research installations or equipment in any area of the marine environment shall be subject to the same conditions as are prescribed in this convention for the conduct of marine scientific research in any such area. Article 259. Legal status. The installations or equipment referred to in this section do not possess the status of islands. They have no territorial sea of their own, and their presence does not affect the delimitation of the territorial sea, the exclusive economic zone, or the continental shelf. Article 260. Safety zones. Safety zones of a reasonable breadth, not exceeding a distance of 500 meters, may be created around scientific research installations in accordance with the relevant provisions of this convention. All states shall ensure that such safety zones are respected by their vessels.